Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, you are also welcome. Please check below. You see on the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe for more amazing video. It's absolutely free. Alright guys, please ring the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also comment. I also love to learn from you, and I believe a whole lot of people also like to learn from you. Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about how to cure dental plaque and tatars. All those things are inside your mouth that are causing decay. Do not worry anymore because I'm going to show you how to get rid of them all. Alright, so let's jump right into this video.
Guys, so here is my aloe vera. I'm just gonna extract the gel from it. Aloe vera gel has antimicrobial properties, which helps a lot in dealing with gum problem caused by plaque and tatars. It also helps to clear bad breath and soothe irritated gum. Alright guys, I've finished extracting my gel. Next I have here with me baking soda. Baking soda exhibits an antibacterial effect that prevents bacteria getting into the mouth and forming plaque and tartar. Lemon, on the other hand, also contain whitening properties that will help whiten the teeth and also kill bacteria. You can see how it's bubbling. Mix all three ingredients very well to form a very smooth paste.
Alright guys, so here is my mixture. I'm just gonna dab my toothbrush inside.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go rinse my teeth and I'll be right back.
Alright beautiful people, can see my teeth.
Ensure to brush your teeth very well, as improper brushing can result in the formation of plaque. So brush your teeth for twice daily with good toothpaste and a soft nylon brush with good bristle. Hold your brush at an angle of 45 against the gum line while brushing. Also brush your tongue after brushing teeth to prevent the growth of bacteria, which in turn leads to build-up of plaque. Also recommend the usage of antiseptic mouthwash, and hydrogen peroxide will clear the action of the microbes on your teeth and mouth. It also loosens and removes the tartars along with clearing bad breath. Consult your dentist for twice every year for a complete dental checkup and take their advice to keep your teeth and mouth clean and healthy. Be sure to drink plenty of water and consume healthy food to strengthen your gum. Avoid eating too much of starchy or sugary food. I would also advise you chew a handful of sesame seeds, not to swallow. Will scrub the teeth and remove tartars. Sesame seeds does an amazing job. Eating crunchy food like apple, carrot, and cucumber, or also applying vitamin C rich fruit like strawberry, tomato, papaya, and lemon help to soften and clear tartars.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing, hit on the like button, click on the notification bell and ring the bell so that you will be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Stay beautiful. See you on my next video. Bye.